Here are 7 advanced tools and system utilities you can use to manage your system quickly, along with their uses. Number 1. Press the Windows button +R, then type regedit to open the Registry Editor. This is used for viewing and editing the Windows registry to configure system settings and troubleshoot issues. Number 2. Press the Windows button +R, then type Control to open the control panel. This is used for accessing system settings, managing hardware and software, and performing system configurations. Number 3. Press the Windows button +R, then type dfrgui to open the disk defragmenter. This is used for optimizing the performance of your hard drive by organizing fragmented data. Number 4. Press the Windows button +R, then type taskschd.msc to open the task scheduler. This is used for automating tasks by scheduling scripts, programs, or actions to run at specified times. Number 5. Press the Windows button +R, then type cleanmgr to open the disk cleanup tool. This is used for freeing up space on your hard drive by removing unnecessary files and system debris. Number 6. Press the Windows button +R, then type Notepad to open Notepad. This is used for creating and editing simple text files. Number 7. Press the Windows button +R, then type PowerShell to open Windows PowerShell. This is used for running advanced command line tasks, managing scripts, and performing system automation. What is the difference between command prompt and PowerShell, or are they the same? Please share in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Watch out for another general tech topic next Wednesday and security tips this coming Friday.